Welcome to my channel. My name is Mona. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make loaded chicken bacon ranch potatoes. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is cook my bacon. Bacon bits can be used for this recipe, but I prefer to use real bacon. And the best way to cook it is by baking it in the oven on 400 degrees for about 25 minutes, and the bacon will come out perfectly crispy every time. Once the bacon is done, I'm going to pour the bacon grease into a small container and I'll set it aside for later. Next, I'm going to get all of the bacon chopped up into little bits and placing it into a small container as well. I'm using small golden yellow potatoes today. I'm going to get those sliced up into about 1-inch pieces. If you're looking to try this recipe and you don't have the golden yellow potatoes, any type of potato would be perfectly fine as a substitute. Now that the prep work is complete, I'm going to add the potatoes to the bottom of the crock pot, making sure that it's fully covered. I'm adding 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts directly on top of the potatoes. I am adding my garlic directly on top of the chicken. The recipe does call for maybe a clove or 2 of garlic, but I really do love garlic, so I'm adding a little extra. I'm going to start adding my seasonings, starting with paprika. Next, I'm going to toss in some onion powder. I'm also adding in a lot of ranch seasoning. I'm pouring the bacon grease that I saved earlier right on top of everything, and I'm also going to pour in some chicken broth. Next, I'm adding in about half of the chopped bacon. I'm dropping in 1 can of cream of chicken soup. And now it's ready to cover, and it's going to cook on high for 4 hours. Once the timer is up, here's what it looks like. This step is completely optional, but I'm going to remove the chicken from the pan and I'm going to shred it in a separate dish and add it back to the pot. I prefer to remove my chicken, but it can be shredded directly from the crock pot. Once I've completed the shredding, I'm going to add the chicken back to the crock pot. I'm also going to go ahead and add in some cheeses. I'll be adding mozzarella as well as some mild cheddar cheese. And last but not least, I'll be adding in some sour cream as well as a little bit of salt and pepper. And the final step is to stir until all of the cheese and sour cream is melted and well blended. And that's all there is to it. This is a really creamy, tasty, yummy dish that the whole family, I'm pretty sure, will enjoy. The only thing left to do is grab a bowl and spoon some in and add your favorite toppings. You can add extra bacon, cheese, some green onions, and even sour cream. If you've made it this far in the video, make sure you drop a spoon emoji down in the comments. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy cooking.